It's just a few hours before Shabbos, and we've already got some stuff going on. I know, something blew up. Something blew up in the sky over there. Okay, but remember, who runs the world? Hashem runs the world, and not anybody else. I can list a whole bunch of people. Right, Princess? Who runs the world? Of course, she doesn't know. Well, she does know. Okay. I'm not going to go outside and show you guys. It's daytime. It's hard to see. Have a wonderful Shabbos. I'm going to have a wonderful Shabbos because I know Hashem loves me and Hashem runs the world. I don't know what that noise is.